Well, we're at the palace. Yes. Sweetheart, what had happened was that we lost track of the address you gave to us, so we decided to make a quick stop at the Igwe's palace and pay homage to the king of your community. But I'm still coming, though. I'll still show up. I gave you my word that I'll be there with my people. So it's a quick stop, and then we'll locate you still.
Turn around?
No, listen. You don't understand. We're at the palace. Okay? I'm at the right place. What are you talking about? The right place?
That is why I said you should turn around.
Turn?
Hello?
Thank you, Mr. Teresa Tawamono.
It's not a prank. It's me. Ifunanya. How would I say Fiona?
What? Oh my goodness, this is inexplicable. You're a princess.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.